This video is meant to cover ExtremePOS Store Server. This video is recorded using version 1.1.2 of ExtremePOS Store Server. First, you can see here that there is an indicator as to whether the services are currently running or not. Right now they are not, so we can edit the settings or perform database actions. For information on these settings, see the video on settings. For database actions, it's simply the ability to either back up or restore. While these services are running, you cannot either edit settings or take database actions. Down below here, you'll see that you have a number of functions you can perform. Synchronize corp/store changes sends any tasks that you have that were unable to be performed live. For example, if you had a gift card transaction, but your connection to corporate server was disrupted at that time, then synchronizing changes will send that up. Also, if item changes, customer changes, or store transfers are waiting for you at corporate, then this function will bring those down. Right now, we have those set to manual, so in order to do it, we would have to hit that button. In the event that we had the interval set to anything other than never, it would also tell us the amount of time remaining until the next automatic update, and at that time, it would automatically perform that function. Send store information for reports sends up information about your current stock levels, your sales, your customer sales, and other information necessary for corporate reports. Again, this has an option where you can automatically perform it every 15 minutes to every 4 hours. Right now I have it set to never automatically perform. As you can see, this one can take a little bit longer. While it's going, you cannot use the function at the bottom here, the full resync with corp. The full resync with corp is a much longer process that should not need to be performed on any kind of regular basis. But in the event that something unusual happens to cause your databases at the store to get desynchronized from those at corporate, you'll want to run that in order to basically verify your database and null out any improper information. Scenarios where this can come up include if you are forced to restore a backup at corporate or at one of the stores, if one of the stores goes offline for a lengthy period, if you have turned off item management for some time and are resuming it, or if you're bringing a new store online. We recommend only running the full resync after business hours, but it is possible to run them during it. Full resync with corp can take several hours, however.